Good morning, guys. We're back again here, RGB off the hook. We're fishing here at South Padre Island today. Try something different, see what we can catch. But first of all, I gotta get this thing in the water. Hoo-wee. It's been a workout this morning. Battery, everything's good. I actually got here early, but I was looking for mullet. I didn't find any, so I bought some live shrimp. So I have live shrimp and frozen. There's a couple of shrimps there. Yep, too bad. Very shallow water. Okie dokie, let me see. Get all this shit out organized first before we take off. Put this thing in the back. We'll see what happened, guys. Gotta make it out there before I can turn on the motor. So let's keep walking it. Behind the mangroves. Oh man. My phone. Whoa. It is a little deep in here. Get out there. Oh man, it's so nice. So nice. We'll see if the motor takes off. Sometimes we'll hit a shallow water and it won't take off, so see what happens. Right now I think we're in a foot of water if I'm not mistaken. There we go. All right. Time to get out there. See if we can catch anything, guys. Let me just get out of this place here. Put this one up here. A couple of blow-ups there. There you go. It's cleared it now, so we're gonna see what we catch, man. Get to the spot. All right, guys. Alright guys, it's 7:53. I'm working the bopper here with a DOA shrimp. See if we hit anything. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got one. We got one. She's a baby, but she's one. Alright, look at that. Nice little trout on the DOA shrimp. Wow. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright guys, let's let her go. See if we can hook up to a bigger one. It's very glassy, so you can actually see where the fish are moving, which is a good thing. The wind should start picking up pretty soon, so we'll see. There we go. Oh man, she let it go. Come back. Come back. Let me set my drag a little bit better. Yeah, they're jumping everywhere right now. I guess it's feeding time. Alright. I was using the live shrimp, but let me put some Procure on this thing. And I was catching a lot of small fish, so I said let me switch to artificial and see if we can hook up to a nice big trout. See what happens. Oh, that was a lot of mullet right there. Nice little trout. Man, they're too small. Too small. Another one with a DOA. But it just doesn't measure. Alright. Let's let her go. Probably catfish. Yeah, feels like it. Oh man, look at that. Look at that trout, baby. Yep. Yep, she's a keeper. Yeah, this one's a keeper, guys. She ate the freaking hook. Hey, hold on. Wow, man. Ah, you ate the hook. You ate the hook. I didn't like that. I know. Sorry. I think I got all your... Oh man, look at that. She gave it back. She's gonna die. Okay. Wow. Oh man. Oh yeah, look at this baby. Look at this baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Yes, sir. Finally, it was about time. Woo-wee. Look at this trout. Oh my God. Wow. Look at this trout, guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish. See how much it measures. Measure it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It is 18 inches. Yeah, we'll take her. We will definitely take her. Wow, that's amazing, dude. Woo. Wasn't expecting that. It was on cut bait with a pinfish. My God. She was hungry. She was hungry. Yes, sir. Let's hook her up. and see if we can catch us another one. Look at that. Look at that yellowmouth. Yellowmouth. Nothing but gold. Nothing but gold. Yep, they're here. God, we got something, guys. What the hell is it? Man, it's a big catfish. It's a huge catfish. Oh my god. No freaking way, dude. Good one, good one. Oh, ah man, it's a skipjack. Yeah. Oh dude, that's a red, bro. That's a red, man. Where's my net? Where's my net? Look at that boy. Whoa. Come here, come here, come here. No, you're too small though. He's small. He's small, but worth finding. Oh, dude. Got a red on the DOA shrimp, guys. Man, the DOA shrimp's killing them today. Look at that. Look at that red. Nice. It's undersized though. We're gonna probably have to let it go. But they're here. Let me get a measurement on it real quick. They have to be 20. 18. 18, guys. What a beauty. There you go. It'll slap on mama. Not bad, not bad, not bad.